Let's imagine you're sitting at your desk right now in December 2031. You look at your bank account, just $1,803. Years of your life have passed, but you're still broke. You have no money. You're stressed out. And suddenly you remember this exact moment. Today, when you watched a video about saving $20 a day, but you didn't start. You thought, I'll start next month. But that next month turned into years. Now snap back to reality. Today is that moment. You have a choice that your future self is begging you to make. In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how $20 a day becomes $100,000, but even more important, I'm going to teach you how to stick with it. Your future is watching you. What are you going to do? Welcome to Growthpedia, where we turn financial confusion into clarity. I'm on a mission, and I need your help. We're going from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in just 30 days. If you want to build real wealth, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's build this community together. Let me explain this with a story. Two friends named Mike and James. They've been best friends since college. They graduated in 2021, got hired at the same company, same job, same $50,000 yearly salary. Every Friday, they'd grab drinks together, enjoy themselves, and dream about a better future. But there was one small difference. Every single morning, Mike did one small thing. So small that James would laugh at him for it. Mike started investing just $20 every day. He'd heard somewhere that saving is good, but investing is even better because you get extra money on top. He took this seriously and started investing $20 daily. That's it. For him, $20 was just the price of lunch and one ride. He'd think it's like I had lunch today. Meanwhile, James was spending money on the latest gadgets, weekend trips, and showing off. Mike was quietly building his empire, $20 at a time. Now, before you think, oh great, another boring savings lecture, stick with me, because what happens next will blow your mind. But here's the magic. Mike doesn't just save his $20 under his mattress. He puts it in a simple S&P 500 index fund, averaging a conservative 10% annual return. Nothing fancy. No crypto gambling, no day trading, just consistent, boring investing. When year one ended, Mike had only $7,900. Nothing impressive. Just $600 profit because he'd invested a total of $7,300. James was laughing at him saying, Mike, you're sacrificing so much just to make $600? James was enjoying his life. Buying PlayStations, going to clubs, buying extra stuff he didn't need just for show-off and to make Mike jealous. Year two rolls around. Mike now has $16,700. Mike stays quiet and keeps going. Year three ends. Mike has $26,500. James is thinking he's still cheap, doesn't have money to enjoy life. Year four arrives, $37,500. Year five, $49,000. Now, Mike only invested $7,300 each year, right? Remember year one when he made just $600 profit? But in year five, he invested the same $7,300 but made $4,200 profit. That's $3,600 more than year one. This was the magic of compound interest, something Mike had heard about in Warren Buffett interviews. He kept reading Warren Buffett's strategies, and within the next 2 years, he hit $100,000. But here's the real secret nobody talks about. After 6 months, Mike's brain rewired itself. Saving $20 became automatic. It didn't feel like sacrifice anymore. It felt like freedom. Then he started increasing the amount. $25 to $30 to $50 a day. Nobody forced him. He just got addicted to watching his wealth grow. James, he still has no idea Mike made $100,000. He's still caught up in the cycle of extra expenses, thinking that extra spending is lifestyle, that it satisfies him. He doesn't even think about investing. The $20 saving habit didn't just change Mike's bank account, it changed Mike's entire identity. He became an investor. While people were using iPhones, Mike was more interested in buying Apple shares. And here's the kicker. When their company announced layoffs in year five, James panicked. He only had $2,000 in his account, just one step away from disaster. Mike? He smiled. He had options. He had $50,000 in investments. He could take 6 months off to find the perfect job. He could negotiate from a position of power. He could even start his own business if he wanted. Same job, same salary, completely different lives. all because of $20 a day. Now I know what you're thinking, but I can't afford to save $20 a day. Really? Let's fact check that excuse. The average American spends $15 to $25 a day on completely forgettable stuff. Coffee, $5. Lunch out, $12. Impulse Amazon purchase, $20. Subscription services you forgot you have, $10. Mike didn't have extra money lying around. He created it by making one simple decision. His future was more important than temporary comfort. He meal prepped on Sundays instead of buying lunch. He made coffee at home. He canceled Netflix for 1 year. Yeah, it sucked for a month, then he didn't even miss it. And here's the beautiful part. After year 2, Mike's investments were generating enough returns that he could afford those luxuries again without touching his salary. His money was making money. James? Still working for every dollar. Still stressed about bills. Still saying, someday. Listen to me very carefully. You don't have a money problem. You have a priority problem. And the best time to fix it was 5 years ago. The second best time? Right now. Today. This moment. So here's what I want you to do. Right now. Pull out your phone. Open your banking app. Set up an automatic transfer of $20 every single day to an investment account. Don't think about it. Don't negotiate with yourself. Don't wait until Monday or next month. Do it right now while you're watching this video. Can't do $20? Start with $10. Start with $5. I don't care. Just start. Because here's the truth. The amount matters less than the habit. Once you build the discipline, increasing it becomes easy. I've seen people transform their lives with this exact strategy. Single moms, college students, people drowning in debt, it works. But only if you work it. 5 years from now, you'll either be Mike, financially free, confident, building the life you want, or you'll be James, still hoping things will magically get better. Which one do you choose? If this video opened your eyes, if you're actually going to take action, do me a favor. Smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need to hear it. And subscribe to Growthpedia's Slack because we're just getting started. Next week, I'm breaking down the exact investment accounts Mike used, the specific funds, and how to automate everything so you never have to think about it again. Comment below. I'm starting today. I read every single comment, and I'll be there to support you on this journey. Remember, $20 a day, 5 years, $100,000. It's not magic, it's math. It's discipline, it's your future. Don't let it slip away.